think Ella's more excited about this. You ready? You want to try it? What's that? Is that avocado? What do you think? Is that good? I don't know if she's swallowing it or it's just sitting there. I think she swallowed it.
Hey, Ella Bean, did you eat that stuff?
It's Jack's turn. I'll give you more in a minute. You ready, Jack? What's this? What's this? What's that? What is that? It's avocado. Yum.
Is that good, Jack?
You want to try more?
Or are we trying to poison you?
You want to try more, Els? What is it? It's avocado. It's avocado. You're eating it. Good job. You want to try more, Jack?
Do you want to eat the stuff that's already on your face?
What is that? It's okay. It's
Yo,
okay.
good boy, Jack. Yum.